Hey guys, it's Claudia. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be sharing a vintage haul with you guys today, and this is a really special one. I received a package from Germany. Rosali messaged me on Instagram. She has an online shop called Heritage Store, and it's a vintage curated shop with the most beautiful pieces. Right now it's only online. She's selling on Instagram and on Depop, but she hopes to turn it into an in-person store one day, which I think is beautiful. She found my YouTube channel and wanted to gift me a couple pieces, so I picked out 3 pieces that I'm absolutely in love with, and I wanted to share them with you guys. I kind of picked up what I was missing in my wardrobe and the pieces that I've been wanting to add, and that's kind of what I based my order off of. I'm also going to show you guys how I would style each of these. Okay, I have the box opened up, so I see that she left me a note at the top, so I'm gonna read that first. Here's her card. Okay, so I'm gonna start off just from the top and see what we have here. So there's actually a little package here. Okay, so she included, I guess as a bonus piece, because I didn't pick this out, she included this beautiful brooch. Now that I have a new camera, I can focus you guys up close, but it's this beautiful brooch that's a shell. So stunning. Definitely gonna be so great for summer. I'm really into shells for the summer. Not in like a cheesy way, but I think they're just like the perfect accessory. And I'm gonna move on to the pieces I picked. I was so excited to find this piece because it's actually a copine piece, which if you guys have watched some of my recent thrift hauls, you know I have been loving. It is a bit big on me, but her and I discussed altering it, and we figured that it would probably just make sense to leave it as is, wear it low-waisted, which I've been loving anyways. Even with my shorts today, they're obviously big on me, but I love how they fit. And the bottom has this beautiful kind of ruffled pleating, and it's so pretty. It's like a very light, almost lacy fabric. That's the top layer. And then it has a lining inside that's like this really cool silver. I actually think this is gonna fit really great low-waisted. Yeah, like that's such a cute look. I'm super excited about this piece. I love wearing skirts. Like I really don't wear dresses very much, but I absolutely love skirts. I got a pair of beautiful Mary Janes. They're black leather. They have a small heel, which is great. I like a little bit of height even though I'm pretty tall. I love the front lace-up detail. It's just like a stretchy string. Okay, yeah, these fit perfectly. I love the fit of them. I love how they look with my socks actually. I'm into that look as well. And oh, I know I'm gonna wear these so much this summer. They're literally in perfect condition, which is also so amazing. But yeah, love, love, love these. They're so beautiful. And like exactly what I was looking for to add to my wardrobe. And the last piece I picked up was another pair of shoes. And I do have a decent amount of like low heel kind of shoes, but I love that these have a worn in look even though they're like literally perfect condition again. Yeah, they like fit me super well. I have the sock on right now and obviously I'm not standing, but they should be perfect and they're so cute. This is like the weirdest try on ever. These are by the brand Stefanel and yeah, perfect condition. I love that they have this kind of overlay trim at the front. It reminds me a bit of like a cowboy boot for some reason. And I love the bow at the front. They're just like the cutest little kitten heel mules. I'm very, very happy about these. I love the color, love the worn in look. I feel like they're just an effortless, cool kind of shoe. And of course they're like open, so they're gonna be really great for when it's hot out. So that is everything that I picked up from Heritage Store. I hope that you guys enjoyed this little haul, and thank you so much to Rosalie at Heritage Store for gifting me these items. I absolutely love them, and it was so heartwarming that you messaged me. Make sure you guys check out this shop, and I will see you guys in the next video.